Hi everyone, I'm doing the floors today. Sorry it's a bit noisy. I am parked right next to the childcare centre. So I'll show you what I've done so far and what the plan is. Yeah. How do I change this? So what I've done is I measured from here to here, from the two sides, and then I marked the midway point, and I did the same throughout the van. And then what I did was using that as a ruler, because I don't have anything long enough, I then measured a line from all the way across the van. And then what I did was I measured the middle of each floorboard. And I assume I'm only going to have to do this for the ones that go down the line. And I'll go all the way across, and from there I'm going to work my way out. Usually the instruction says to start in the middle and work out, but because I know that this part here is going to be underneath the bed and that part there is going to be underneath the kitchen, it's this bit here that I don't want to look really good, so I'm going to start here instead. So before I start this process, I've already cleaned the floors and made sure that they had a day to dry. And I also took off the trimmings on the side and then spent ages taking off any of the silicone that was put in there, so I tried to make it as flat as possible. There is that bolt there that I can't take out, so what I'll do is I'll do as much as I can and I'll leave that panel to last. Oh, and the other thing is, so once you lay it down, remember you need to stagger it. So go half like that. And with this brand, ones that I've got, so this is from VANBUILD. Trying to, it's this one there. They come with directional arrows at the back, so you just have to make sure that when you lay them down, all the arrows face the same direction. Alright, wish me luck.